I've said and I still maintain that, whether it was then President Trump or now President Biden, our governor or county judges or mayors, I understand the responsibility to keep people safe, but we've got an equally important responsibility to stand up for folks' constitutional rights and stand up for the integrity of our institutions. And what I mean by that is the General Assembly, this last session, passed two measures in particular, Senate Bill 1 and Joint Resolution 77. Those essentially said that we're ending the emergency declaration and that if the governor determines that additional provisions are needed or need to be made for an emergency, he needs to consult with the General Assembly. That's essentially what Senator Alvarado's and others requested of the governor through the passage of those two measures. The governor has decided to disregard those measures that were passed by your duly elected members of the General Assembly. He's basically said, I can still continue to do the go it alone approach and not consult with the General Assembly and certainly not hear from the folks that they represent. So I thought that was disheartening. We've obviously made this decision to go before the state Supreme Court with our perspective, which is that he needs to follow the laws that were passed by our General Assembly. He and his team don't think that. So we'll ultimately see what the General Assembly or what the state Supreme Court says on that issue.